Hi friends, I welcome you in our channel. The name of my channel is the Unique Classes by Major Sir. As I feel very proud and very serious about your good comments. It gives me actually the big energy, and every time I am wishing to have a good topic so that I can brought in front of you. Now, today, as you have seen in the board, the I am going to discuss about the dielectric materials. My friends, what I am going to say you that you might have heard that in most of the material, or majorly the whole materials of the world can be categorized by two. Those who are conducting the electrons or the charges, they are called the conductors, and similarly those materials which actually does not carry our charges, that they are called the actually insulating materials or the insulator. You are familiar with them. Now, since the materials are the non-conducting materials are of interest material for us, because we are going to use in the case of the capacitor. In the capacitor, you know that capacitor actually it stores the charge in the form of electric, and the thing is that what is happening inside the capacitor, it is a great interest for us. The two types of the materials again can be categorized the non-conducting materials. And non-conducting materials can furtherly categorized by two. One is the polar material, another is the non-polar materials. Okay, let us see in today's class that what is called the polar material and what happens when a polar material generally does it actually not used. It is not used in the case of the capacitor. Most of the cases, what type of material we are using in the our capacitor? The capacitors, most of the cases you will get the non-polar materials, non-polar material. So now today we are going to analyze what are the benefits of the non-polar material, for what reason we are using the non-polar materials. Okay, now let us first consider and let us discuss about the polar material. Polar materials are those materials, you can see here the polyatomic molecule. Most of the polyatomic molecules, they is realized as a polar material. And polyatomic means, suppose here you can see that diatomic or the polyatomic, say HCl. My friends, what happens in the case of the polarity means what? If the center of masses, if the center of masses of the charges for the negative and the positive charges actually does not coincide, then it is called the polar. Does not coincide means it is polar. You can see there, and the negative charges is and the positive charges are aside from each other, and they are not centered in a single axis. We can say this is called this type of material actually makes a dipole. Okay, it actually it makes a dipole. And if you will analyze in the structure of a non polar materials, you will get inside this like this. Every molecules have a dipole moment. Every molecules have a dipole moment, and the finitely definitely. But if you will analyze, here is the negative, another is the positive. Here is the negative, another is the positive. So a negative charge and then a positive charge are simultaneously stored inside the structure. Now, what is we are getting and what are expecting? Suppose an electric field is applying on it, and on in this case not applied. In this case, what we cannot regard that this is the negative surfaces or this is the positive surfaces, because of what actually here we are getting the two types of the charge, negative as well as the positive. Here also is the negative and as well as the positive. So I just took they form a finite chain inside interior of the structure. Okay, so we can't say this is the positive or negative, or either negative or the positive. Simply we will have to understand that the whole structure is neutral almost, but every individual molecules have a finite dipole moment. Okay, now we are going to discuss about what happens in the case of an electric force is applied to this structure. Okay, whenever the electric force is applied to this structure means I am talking about the polar molecules. So we are going to discuss about the polar molecule. the electric force, the negative charges will be attracted towards the electric force. You know that the electric force is considered to be positive and the negative charges will be attracted. So negative charges will be attracted towards this one and the positive. Still, we do not have the sufficient amount of the electric forces so that we can snatch out the structure totally. So actually, in this case, you can see, we can see that only some of the charges you might say that some charges can appear in the surfaces. The opposite charges can also appear in the opposite surfaces. So we can say that in this place where we are going to apply the electric force in the this particular place, we are observing that there can be a finite dipole moment, but still it is not too enough for us. Okay, so still there is a finite structure and the positive charges, or this negative and the positive charges are the worst for you, because the positive and negative, they are rigid in their place, they are not moving. These type of the charges you can use, and a might dipole moment you will get when an external field is applied to the polar material. Now we are going to discuss about detail in the non-polar material. The non-polar material are of great interest. Because of what? Because of what? We have to understand that the center of mass of the negative and the positive charges coincide in this case. The center of masses, you can see that the negative charges, this is the negative charges. We are assuming, okay, and this was the positive charges. So the center of masses is coinciding, and you can say that in one axis. Okay, whenever this coinciding means they are approximately showing the neutral charges or neutral behavior. Now we are going to detail. We are going to see the finite structure of the or interior structure of our material. Okay, if you will go to the interior side, you will guess that in most of the molecules are arranged in such a way that the positive, negative, they are some similar, and most of the molecules shows the neutral behavior. Now what happens in the case when an external field is applied to it? Okay, when an external field is applied to it, the negative charges are attracted toward the field and the positive charges are repelled far from the field. Okay, so similarly, a virtual or a temporary dipole moment actually it shows on that time when an external field is applied. Okay, then the negative charges are attracted and the positive charges are repelled those side. Similarly, when you are observing the whole structure of the material in a big way, you are getting like this structure. Then all the negative charges are just by applying the electric field, all the negative charges of that material or the molecules are get attracted towards the field, and then the positive charges are repelled on the other surface of that material. So in this time, what we are getting here, in just by applying a small field, it shows a drastic change in there and a big dipole. The moment of and the magnitude of that dipole moment is too much compared to the this one. Okay, that's why my dear friend, actually we are using the dielectric materials in the case as a non-polar materials, while in the case of the capacitor. So hopefully I explained all those things, and simultaneously I will expect some support from you, that you should like our channel or the videos, as well as you should subscribe our channel, and it will be very benefit for the student as well as for me, that if such type of topic I will bring continuously to you. So give me energy by liking, subscribing, and some by putting some comment on the video. Thank you.